China unveiled a major package to support its struggling property market. The package lowers borrowing costs on up to 5.3 trillion in mortgages. Down payment requirements for second homes are eased to a historic low. The People's Bank of China will cut mortgage rates by an average of 0.5%. The down payment ratio for second home purchases drops from 25% to 15%. The plan highlights Beijing's urgency to address housing-led economic slowdown. Economists predict China will not meet its growth target this year. A Bloomberg gauge of property developer shares rose 4.9% before falling to 1.5%. The index has slid 33% from its high in mid-May. Experts call this China's broadest support for home loans to date. Policymakers have worked to lower financing costs this year. Recent measures have mostly helped new buyers over existing homeowners. Existing mortgages have an average interest rate of about 4%. New loans for first homes have rates around 3.2%, second homes at 3.5%. The move will ease mortgage burdens for 150 million people in China. Annual interest expenses will drop by about 150 billion yuan. Most households haven't benefited as banks won't reprice loans until next year. The changes may pressure major banks struggling with low margins and profits. New interest rate adjustments will likely have a neutral impact on bank profits. China aims to support homebuyer demand for bigger homes. The real estate crisis in China is entering its fourth year without relief. Home sales fell in August as policy effects waned and prices are expected to drop.